so?
Ma'am, we started fluid friction.
Fluid friction.
Factors
Okay,
affecting
good. Okay, fluid friction.
Factors affecting
Factors affecting the fluid friction. Okay. Sriram, what is the fluid friction, Sriram?
The friction in air and water.
Air and water on whom?
On objects.
On objects. So the frictional force which is acting on the objects in air and water, or we can say in fluids, is known as fluid friction. Do you remember the name HESA? Another name I called for fluid frictional force in fluids. There are 2-3 names I told.
Vices friction.
No. There are some 2-3 names I told. In the fluids, we call this name. Yes, Isa, tell me.
Drag or viscous force.
Okay, drag force or viscous force. One more word I have told. Anyone remember something? Especially anyone? Viscosity. Do you remember that? Okay, viscosity.
Tendency.
Viscosity. Okay, viscosity, drag force, viscous force. These are the other names we call the frictional force in fluids. Okay, so now we are moving to the factors affecting fluid friction. So there are, as you see in that, shape of the objects. Shape of the objects is a factor which is affecting the fluid friction. I think, can you hear me, all of you? Okay. So, yeah, slightly, no, because there's some loose contact. So, factors affecting fluid friction, these are the 3 factors. First factor, speed of the object with respect to the fluid. That is, when fluid is, the fluid, air or water, all these things are a flowing matter. Even river flows. Yeah, you already know, river flows. That is why we are getting waterfall and all. The sea water also flows. But when a ship is moving or ship is sailing on a sea, the water also flows at the same time. The ship also sails. Then there is a relative motion between them, both of them. So with what speed, how fast the ship is sailing, how fast the boat is rowing, or how fast the boat is moving. So depending upon the fluid friction increases. That means more the speed of the object, greater the friction. More the speed of the object, greater the friction. So as objects move faster, friction also increases. So that is the picture I have showed you. The next slide, you will able to see. Okay. Oh, sorry. There is the slide. Yeah. This slide, I wanted to show you this. I already showed you. There is a visible sign of increasing friction in water. In air, you may not able to understand because air is not visible to us. But in water, it is understood the visible sign that is friction is more. If you look at this speed launch, the boat is moving faster. You can see the water droplets which is forming at the back of it. So it is the motion. It is the motion of the speed launch, and this is the direction. Opposite direction is the fluid. You will able to see that movement of the water or bundling of water droplets, how it is. Some are very furious or turbulent, we can say. Turbulent, especially speed launch, it move with the maximum speed. You must have observed in movies and all. When hero is chasing the villain in the speed launch, if you look at that, water is flowing. So this is the friction. Yes. Someone is saying something.
I'm in Minnal Murali trailer. We can see.
You are watching Minnal Murali trailer. I did not watch. Okay, I will watch.
Speed. Then we can see that friction.
Okay, friction. Okay, I will see. Today you told me, I will see the trailer. Yes. And even you can see if you are swimming faster, the swimmers, those who win the race, when they move, the movement of the water droplets, those who are rowing or those who are swimming faster, he will be disturbing the water more. So that is the visible sign of the friction. Okay.
When we see a dog and running. When we see a dog and run.
Dog is running. I didn't get you.
Dog is chasing us. When a dog
When the dog is chasing, okay, when the dog is chasing us. But in air, you will not able to recognize because
in the plants, you can see the plants moving, right?
yeah, plant. But when you run faster, suppose you are going for a running race, you will feel that air is touching you and just
Yes, ma'am.
like, yeah, you feel it, no? That breeze is in opposite. You are
Ma'am.
moving in faster,
Yes, ma'am.
but the breeze is opposite direction. So
Ma'am,
that is
the air will hit on our face.
hit on our face and hit on our body, you feel. So that is opposite direction. You are moving forward, but the friction is, suppose that is the finishing point. Forward direction is the finishing point. You can feel the air is rubbing against your face and your what you call clothes are moving and your hair is flying.
I mean, car, when we go, we can feel.
You can feel it. Yes, you can feel it.
Bike.
Yes. You can observe in the objects. So suppose you are moving faster in a car, you can observe the objects, how fast you are seeing. So you feel that friction, how much friction is acting on you. Aeroplane, you don't experience much because you are inside. Okay. But outside, the same thing happened. If you look at this jet, it is a fighter plane. You can see around this fighter plane, the air will make a structure like this. We call it, in physics, we call it eddy currents. We call this structure which is falling, which is forming by the air and as well as the water. So this is, we are learning in higher classes. Okay. +2 level and all, we learn about eddy currents. So I'm just telling you, this is another name. It is called in physics, this formation of turbulent flow, we can call eddy current or formation of eddies. Okay, because it is so powerful. That is the reason of that. Okay. So even in the fighter plane, around it, air will form a streamlined shape. This is streamlined shape. So that is, we call it eddy currents. Next is nature of the fluid. Okay. Nature of the fluid. What type of fluid are you? Are you swimming? Suppose the water, instead of water, can you swim in the oil the way you are swimming in water? Do you? No, you don't feel. Okay, you don't feel comfortable, correct? So the reason is that the fluid density differ. Density means the thickness, the water and the oil. The thickness is different. Kerosene, petrol. So all these different fluids have different thickness. So because of that, the viscosity also will change. Viscosity will change. If the fluid is more thicker, the friction also is more. If the fluid is more thicker, friction experience on our body also greater. So that is how nature of the fluid affect the frictional force acting or viscosity acting on an object. Last one, we spoke many times about shape of the object. That is, it should be a streamlined shape. If it is not streamlined shape, the friction is more. The square plane, circular plane, and all this, you can look at that. All this is not friction.
Streamline means front
this
side
one
should be.
Streamline means, have you seen the picture of this birds and fish and the plane? That front is just like oval shape, just a formation like this. So that is known as streamline. Like this, even the boat shape you check, it is a streamline shape. So if you look at the birds and fishes, you will see what do you mean by the streamline shape. And you don't have the aeroplanes or fighter planes without the streamline shape because of we wanted to reduce the friction. Streamlined shape has less friction than any other regular shape. Okay, even kites, you see the kite. Kite is a formation. You know the kite. In the front is just like this. Okay, so kite also is a streamlined shape. That is what you are able to fly the kite higher and higher. The friction is less. So that is the reason. Okay, I
Ma'am,
think, yes, Isa.
ma'am, the bullet shape.
Bullet shape. The scooter, even scooter, you look like it is not exactly streamlined, but all other body parts, you just observe. There is some of the parts, it is just like a streamline. The way the bird, no, how this bird duck look like. So some of the scooter, if you check it, it is like that. Okay. So that is what. So I think we completed the fluid friction. I think you don't have.
Bugatti.
Huh?
Bugatti is like
Which one, dear?
Bugatti car friendly.
Okay, car. Okay, I'm very poor in the knowledge of the stylish cars. Okay, I don't know many cars. Ford car, so many are there, no? BMW, Benz, all that I know. Bugatti car, and if you say I don't know. I'm very poor in that. Okay. This is actually the interest. This is for the boys, no? What type of scooter? No, there is a stylish scooter, just like a horse. Huh? Even you sit on the bullet, you feel as if you are sitting on a.
KTM and
Yes. You know, I have
Ma'am,
observed.
Duke, KTM.
Ah,
Duke.
sometimes, like you, some jokers, no, crackpot boys, huh? Crackpot boys,
Scooter,
+1, +2. We call them crackpot boys. They will just make a noise in front of the house, no? There's a road. Whoa.
Ma'am, yesterday night when I was cycling, some people were doing stunt with car. I mean bike.
There are
They're
some people in
twisting the
front
bike.
of my house also, mad people. No, they don't put the silencer at all. Oh, the sound
They
will
lift
go like
the
anything.
front tire. They lift the front tire.
Even our eardrums breaks. That's way. The mad boys like you all. Okay.
Psychos.
ma'am, when the bike cannot go, I will say they are going to die.
There is something. One incident was there. No, one boy was somewhere Koteo. Last week they showed in the YouTube. He was doing one stunt and it went and hit, and the people, no, they nicely give him properly. Have you observed in the?
Ma'am, parents. Two parents died because of
Not
bike.
only two parents, he did not die. The bike went and hit that two old people. They were coming. Bike, he was doing circus on that. Then it went hit. Then at that time only they caught him red-handed and they have give him nice beating.
Awesome.
And it became viral in the YouTube and even in the news. And there was
He became viral.
Yeah. And you know, once it become viral, it will become counterpoint. At 8 o'clock in all the channels, that will become the news over there. So that is Kerala. There is nothing more. Something little they get, all that day, all the channel make a counterpoint, debate on it. That's it. Okay. That's some mad cows are here. Mad boys and mad buffaloes, we call them. Yes. Okay, children. So you are coming to the last part of it. The friction can be a friend or foe. So that is, there's a question in your textbook. Friction is a friend and can be a foe. In which cases it can be a friend. That is what you call advantages of friction. So if you give examples that friction act like friend, so what is the meaning of that question? You have to give the advantages of the friction. Advantages of the friction means in which cases or which situation friction is necessary for us. Without friction, we cannot do. You know very well, all these games, football, badminton, cricket, yeah, all type of sports item, friction is advantage. Yeah? All the athletics, all the sport, gymnastics, all these things, friction is an advantage or it is necessary. Otherwise, yeah. Otherwise, we cannot do. And any activity you do, sleeping on the bed, getting up from the sleep, writing, eating, holding anything, dancing, Okay, all the activities apart from gravitational force, other contact forces, it is require frictional force, muscular force as well as gravitational force and frictional force also necessary. Matchstick, burning the matchstick, gas stove lighter, okay, writing on paper. So these are, when you say advantages of friction, if I say state any 4 advantages of friction, you have to just give me the examples. Playing football, playing guitar, playing musical instruments, of course. You need a,
How can spiked shoes of cricket players be
yeah,
an
yes.
advantage?
Not only
never,
spiked shoes. You look at the real football players' shoes, you see some of them by
Ma'am, for
mistake.
football only use spiked shoes. For
Even
the
cricket also we require. We
Ma'am,
require
but
some
we'll
kind.
slip, ma'am, when we take runs. We'll slip
Ah.
because of the spikes.
So I think this is a run, but still, they in their shoes they have some spikes.
Ma'am,
correct?
no, ma'am. That is other kind of shoes. They only slip. They don't have spikes.
Okay. So it is football mainly, no? Football mainly when you run the game, they have the spikes. Other games, we don't have much spikes. We will slip. Okay. But even tennis also, the shoes, when you wear the shoes, there should be proper grip. Otherwise, they will fall down. Okay. So
I
that
have
is,
stairs.
yeah. Yes. And all these things are advantages. You don't have to read. So much is there. Okay. I'm just running because already have done the PowerPoint. So why should we have to write on it? Due to friction, walk, run, stand, horse riding, various sports, can hold different objects, allows to fix a nail in the wall, would not be drive any automobiles, to construct any buildings. Okay. If you build suppose you made the the foundation of the house. If there is no interlocking between the foundation and the mud, naturally the house will not stand. And you see how many story buildings we are constructing nowadays. 25, more than 100
1
story
lakh.
buildings. Yeah. If you go to, you see the Gulf, there is a tallest tower in Gulf,
Burj
Dubai.
Khalifa.
Yes. Why all this? And there's a Pisa's tower. It is one of the world wonders. No, Pisa, the standing Pisa's tower.
Yes.
See how many
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower. That is what we call slanting tower. So Eiffel Tower and all. How many years it is standing just like that? Qutub Minar in our place. Taj Mahal, all these things, big monuments. Okay. And Dubai, you can see lot of structures, tallest buildings. Okay. All these are stable on the ground. Dam also because of the friction. So it is not only gravitational force necessary. There also should be a frictional force also necessary for our life. So you can write a lot of examples in our daily life. So it is an advantage. Now come to the disadvantage, in which cases the friction can be a foe. Foe means enemy. First point, frictional force result in wear and tear of objects. Our clothes and all, if you wear for many days and you wash it and use it, the soap powder and the cloth will undergo friction. And after 3, 4, 5 washes, the beautiful dress of us, color will fade, and as well as it will start a tearing. Okay, that is the disadvantage of the friction. Then moving parts of the machine, tires of a vehicle, sole of the shoes, every now and then, okay, where is gone? Every now and then, we used to buy new sandals and all those things because of it is spoiled. That's the reason. Then the production of heat, lot of heat energy produces. If you rub your hand, due to friction, heat energy produced. Similarly, the fan, many days, if you continue, the fan is rotating for hours and hours. You can, if you touch the motor, touch that motor part of the fan, it produces heat. And you see, after 5 years, what happened to the fan? Will you get the same amount of breeze? Will you get? After 5 years, no. What happened? Because of continuous friction between the rotation,
Ma'am, you
The machine-
phone, right?
yeah, and sometimes there will be sound, kata 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 sound, no? And condenser goes,
Sound energy.
yeah, all the sound pollution, and even regulator you cannot turn it, so it came like that. So that is also disadvantage. So wastage of energy, production of heat leads to wastage of energy. Production of heat leads to wastage of energy. So this is the one more thing. When you want to overcome the friction in motor vehicles, car, tire, cycle, we have to use a lot of energy. Suppose you are using 1 liter of petrol. Petrol, they will say 100% mileage. Do you think you get 100% mileage for 1 liter petrol?
No.
No.
Full tank.
Even full tank also you will get only 1 liter petrol. There's 100% mileage. Some advertisement is there, no? Hero and Passion. So many new varieties are there, no? Bike and all. There's 100%
race.
mileage. What is the mileage? For 1 liter petrol, it can travel long distance. But that is not possible. Only maximum 60% or something only efficiency you will have in this world. 60% of the fuel only you are using for riding, and 40% will be wasted in the form of heat, sound, overcoming friction. So that is why nowadays even 1 liter petrol cannot travel for 30 kilometers, correct? And it is so costly nowadays because of
And
we are using extra petrol to overcome the friction on the roads. Okay, and also decrease in speed of moving object. Example, the vehicle, and after 10 years, your car, the you will say Ford car and all the Benz car, and after 10 years also, you see you will not get the pickup. There's no pickup, no mileage, because it worn out due to friction. Then also noise pollution. There's a lot of noise pollution. The bike and all, why they are producing a lot of sound? Because of the friction. Because tires and the road is rubbing, and not only that, the machine parts within the scooter itself, they rub against one another. So it causes noise pollution. Then an amount of supplying energy is lost in order to overcome friction. Same point. Okay. All these disadvantages take place because of we are using some of our energy to overcome friction. Even I speak at least 5-6 hours I am taking class. When I come to the last period, my energy goes down. Why? When we speak, our mouth and air surrounding area, it is undergoing friction. So naturally, the sound energy, what I produce, 40% may lost in order to overcome the frictional force in the air. Okay, so that is the thing. So we need to use a more energy in order to come to the maximum sound which reach to the students. Okay, shall I change the slide, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, and this is the pictures. Whatever I spoke, this is the pictures of the disadvantages, causes of fire in the forest because of rubbing of air and the dried leaves. It causes fire. During summer season, it's very common. The forest, it catches fire very fast. Then welding, you saw the welding. Whenever we weld the gate or any iron sheet or something, lot of fire is coming out, correct? Yes.
Ma'am, when we stand in ice, why we slip?
When we stand in ice,
Why we slip?
why we slip? Because the friction is less, because ice is wet. So that will reduce the interlocking time. Ice and the hand, your legs will get less time to interlock. So as a result, what will happen? You slip down. The frictional force will not act. So interlocking of surfaces did not take place. Okay.
Ma'am, but we can do ice skating and all.
Yes, that is why we are having the ice skating. If there is more friction, can you do the ice skating?
No, ma'am.
Ice skating is a sport, no? Even the skaters, you see, can you skate faster in a rough surface than a smooth surface?
less friction is needed.
So for ice skating as well as the surface skating, what you do now in the schools, you see that ground is nicely smooth. The cement floor is nicely, we have polished, not much in our school, but still. Okay.
Ma'am,
Our
but if we
school-
polish the surface, we won't get the break, right?
Yeah, but the skating is something, is an art, balancing. It is fully about balancing your feet and this. It is a thing. And you have seen, no, some dances
Ma'am,
in
I have-
dancing floor.
Ma'am, actually, if the floor is polished, we can't skate because we won't get break.
Is that so? Isa. But there could be a, see, ice skating is very, very, very least friction, but they will do the skating. So usually the skating has to be done on a smooth surface. Maybe as Isa told, may not be, there is a proportion, no? We cannot smooth so much. There should be what you call 50-50. So that is the thing. But you have observed that in European countries, there is a sport, no? Look at that ground. There, they are doing the dances, the couples. Have you seen how many pics,
And
even
figure
circus?
skating.
What you call for that? The
Figure
dance-
skating.
Gymnastic.
it's a part of gymnastics. I am talking about Russian dance. It is there on that skating ground, and they do that. You just see that floor. That's so polished. Okay, and so beautifully they are showing their movements. No, that girl and boy. It's just like what you call floating in the air. So to have a proper skating, the surface should be smooth. Then otherwise it will not have that much effect. It's art, okay? And circus and skating, all these fully depend upon the balance force. How you balance your body, and you have to learn. Even circus people, how do they walk on the string, a narrow string? It is, you simply say they are balancing their weight in a particular. Okay, that means the gravitation force, frictional force, all the forces which is acting on them, they are balancing it. That's an art. Okay, they don't know the physics. It's true. Circus people, they are not learning frictional force and gravitational force to do that art. It come naturally. It's a part of what can say an art to balance. Okay, so that is why we call it is an entertainment.
Ma'am, what's the difference between sliding force and kinetic force?
Sliding force means just like this book. Okay, if I hold slantingly, you can see this stylus will fall very fast. Kinetic friction is the general name for all rolling friction, sliding friction. It's a general name of both sliding as well as rolling. Kinetic means the friction which act on a moving body. Kinetic means motion. Okay, kinetic energy, potential energy. So in your book, it is not specified, it is a kinetic friction. Sliding and rolling, this both are the friction which is acting on a moving body, on slanting surface and the plane surface. So this both friction come under kinetic friction. So mainly, I did not teach you, but mainly there are two, static friction and kinetic friction. And under kinetic friction, sliding friction and rolling friction, both will come. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I think this much enough. Okay, we will wind up the session. So maybe 10 more minutes for next class. So all of you just learn this chapter and come. We just discuss about increase or decrease the friction. Everyone knows, no, PPT, you have made it. So we will have a class test, MCQ test on next Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yes. Thank you,
Okay, ma'am.
children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.